I just finished my NYSC and
I just finished my undergraduate with Manchester State University.
my name is Monica Kelly. I'm a medical scientist. I studied at Biomedical University. I breaking into research and medical genetics field. So I'm here to gain skills, meet people, learn more.
At Supporter Healthcare Diagnostics, and my research interest is in extreme environmental physiology.
One of the reasons I'm here is and I studied applied microbiology. Currently, I work as a quality control microbiologist. My name is Adedo Jolamadi Tayo. I'm a 300 medical student at the Biomedical. My interests involve neuroscience.
So we were in final year, and I'm also very.
And I'm very interested in research.
I'm Dr. Mutfara Ayusi. I lecture at Conference University, that's back in Kogi State. My field is toxicology,
And my research focuses on neurodevelopmental science and toxicology.
I graduated from Obafemi Awolowo University, biochemistry and molecular biology.
Japan, someone to Japan. Like, so.
You can put them in another funnel.
Functional aspects of the molecular biology. I have here